going on YouTube? Today I just want to bring to your attention a very awesome tech gift idea that you can purchase no matter whether it's right now during the holiday season or any point along the year. If you've got that tech nerd like me and you don't know what to get him because he basically buys all the latest gadgets, this is a great gift idea from Xreart. As you can see, they take some of the great tech gadgets and they put it in this beautiful frame and they separate each specific component, give you a little explanation of what it did, and I think it's just a great way to kind of bring joy to that tech nerd that you have in your life. I personally like the way that they display all their tech gadgets. Now they have iPhones, they have Samsung gadgets, and of course they have this Game Boy, which I remember spending hours upon hours playing Game Boy. This is something that really took up my time when I was a kid, and I think it's a great way to kind of memorialize that, and I think it's a great way to get a little bit sentimental about some gadgets that you really loved in the past. Taking a look at some of the components here, you can see at the top, inside of the frame, it says Game Boy, introduced 1989, and that's probably about the time I bought it. I remember rushing to Toys R Us to buy one of these, and of course I bought it with Tetris. That was one of the most iconic games of its time. And then you get to see each individual component as well. So you get to see all of the buttons, your A and B button, your D-pad, your select, your start. You also get to see the speaker and the audio board. And I think everything is just displayed really, really nicely, cleanly, and elegantly. This is something you can place in your man cave, in your hallway, maybe even your office or den, anywhere you want to place this. It's not going to be really nerdy and techy. It's just going to be a nice, tasteful piece of tech art. So if you're looking for an awesome tech gift idea, this is something I can recommend from Xreart. Again, check my link down below. They're running all types of sales, so now is the best time to buy one. I think this is a great gift tech idea, guys. First and foremost, it's going to bring all those joyful memories back to you whenever you look at this frame. I just imagine myself playing Tetris and Castlevania and all of those wonderful titles back when I was a kid. Hours upon hours are spent on this Game Boy. So this brings a smile on my face every time I walk by and see it, and that absolutely is priceless. If you do pick one up, let me know down in the comments below which one you picked up. But again, I think these are just awesome frames. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll catch you in another video.